So next I'll explain the guide tool which we have here. So if you press the option, we'll be presented with this panel. Okay, so here we have access to all these different type of guides, like the plane guide, the cube guide, and the capsule guide. So let's take an example with the cube guide. Okay, so this we have our guide. So the function of this guide is basically, when I take my controller near to the cube, you can see my pointer is getting snapped. Okay, and when I try to sketch, basically our sketch will be along this cube like this. So guides can be very useful whenever you want some precise artwork, like maybe making a perfect cube like this, or maybe even making a flat surface or even a wall. Okay, so you can take help from the guides. So let's see from the side angle. See, in the sketches all along the cube. Okay, so this is the basic function of the guide. So here we have two more options, like the toggle guides. So if we press this, you can see our guide is now hidden. So if you want to bring it back, you can just press it again and it will appear. Okay, lastly we have this guide settings. So if you press this, you will have this one more panel. Okay, and here we have four options. First is the pointer snap distance. Okay, so currently my pointer is getting snapped from this distance. Okay, let's increase this to the max, 100%. Now you can see my pointer is getting snapped from much far distance. Okay, so this is your first settings. Second is your grid size. So with this you're able to change the size of the grid inside your cube like this. Okay, third we have the grid line width. So with this you can change the width of the grid line inside your cube like this. Okay, simple. And lastly we have the grid frame width. So this will increase the size of the uh, frame of your cube. Okay, so these are all the basic functions of your guide, and it can be very helpful whenever you want a very precise artwork.